I just can't wait. So I just started the streaming and you can hear me. Please let me know that, okay? Important to know that you can hear me or not. Please let me know that. And this is my small account. So if I take a loss over here, I have no way to mitigate my loss. So I hope you will understand, okay? This is all going to a stop loss. So if I take a loss, it will be little smaller. Yeah, it's yes, bro. Okay, so you can hear me. Thank you. And okay, so let's go for staining this thing. Let's go to 50 minutes. I don't know it's going to work or not, but yeah, even it's consolidating and my small account, so I just can't put my stop loss over here on contract. Let me change the contract size, otherwise take a huge loss. Okay, here. So this is that 15-minute fair value gap. Market has taken that buy side liquidity. It has tapped to that 50% of that fair value gap. Okay. Now I'm coming to 1 minute chart. You can see when market came here, then I never get the market structure shift. I never get the market structure shift until now. So here is my market structure shift. I got this market structure shift right now here. This is the fair value gap. I actually push my button over here when price was over there, and this is what it is. Okay. So over here, if it doesn't work, maybe I will take a loss. But yeah, I'm still bearish, so I would love to, and my stop loss will be here. Okay. So kind of how many handle? Let me check. 18 handle. So if I take this loss, it will be near about $700 loss. My maximum loss limit is $1,000. I will be unable to mitigate my loss if I take this loss. I'm struggling with this account, and unfortunately I pushed my button for two contract. I didn't look over there. It's two contract. I thought it's one. So I took two contract actually. Instead of one contract, I pushed two contract. Whatever. Here is my liquidity. There is my liquidity. This shallow up. This is my sell side liquidity over here. I'm expecting price will reach until that sell side liquidity. That's my expectation. Okay. And this is the first time I got the market structure shift with a fair value gap. This is the first time. I didn't get any market structure shift over here. So there was no market structure shift until this candle. When I got this very nice displacement, market has taken the liquidity, very nice displacement, very nice immediate reaction. Everything is perfect. All I need just an expansion now. That's all I need. Again, guys, please don't push your button because this is a whole consolidation, okay? And I'm also not so much confident about this entry. Not so much confident, but yeah, I pushed my button, but I don't want you to push your button. Okay? I don't want that. So yeah, that's all. Okay. I knew you wanted to push your button. Oh, Buros. I'm sorry, brother. Yeah, I tried. I tried to stop myself, but I'm sorry. I couldn't stop myself. So I just come and I pushed my button. So at the end of the day, maybe I'm going to take a loss. Yep, maybe. But let's see if it works or not. I mean, my whole study is telling me that it's going to work. My whole study is telling me. But if it doesn't work, then I'm gonna take a loss. All brother. But my request is please don't push your button depending on my analysis. Okay, that's my request. If you want to push your button depending on your analysis, you are welcome to do that, brother. But depending on my analysis, if you push your button, I will see that as a disrespect. Okay, please don't disrespect me. Okay, I'm I'm doing the hard work here because of you guys. So please don't disrespect me. That's my request. Please. I will just partial here, jelly here. Well, I think I should not take the partial here. I should close my trade there. Yeah, I will close my trade over there. Not going to take partial here actually. If if it can hit this level, I'm going to take close my trade over there. Okay. Again and again, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. I am not willing to take your money's responsibility. I really don't want to take that. So please don't push your button depending on my analysis. I'm not sure it's going to work or not, but yeah, I push my button because of me, but I don't want you to push your button depending on my analysis. Okay, I hope you'll understand. It's okay, brother. It's your own button. Do you own it? Yeah, thank you, Shahid. I hope. Yeah, thank you, man. Thanks for understanding. I'm gonna put it over here. So minimized little more losses. To be honest, I didn't want to push two contract. I wanted to push one contract. I don't know you are going to believe me or not, but it's true. I didn't want to push two contract. I wanted to push one contract. I just didn't look that there was two contract. That's the thing. Okay, when I changed it, it was still two contract. So I took a huge risk over here, and I was actually praying. I was praying. So when I just finished my prayer, I just opened my chart. I saw this situation, and I find out that there was no market structure shift. This was the first time when I get the market structure shift. So yep, that is that whole trade, whole business, whole thing. This level, this is the shallow run, 18319.25. I believe that market will reach over here. That's my belief. Okay, I'm not telling that it's going to happen, but I am expecting like that way that market is going to that level. But I will close my trade if it can reach over here. Okay, if it can reach over here, I'm gonna close my trade. That's all, brother. This is that fair value gap. Price is traded that fair value gap. This is the order block. Price come back again to that order block here to that candle. It's falling. I'm good. Until now I'm good. All I want to see, huge run. Okay, a huge run through all of this line. I mean below this line. Just a body, one candle body will close below this line. That's all I want to see. If it doesn't happen, I'm absolutely wrong. I'm perfectly wrong, and I'm gonna take that loss. Okay, so the loss will be near about 16. That means $640, something like that. That will be the loss. My wife is cracking up, laughing, hearing you say push your button. Bro, why you? I mean, why you are doing this, man? I mean, I hope you will understand the risk here, right? Because this is the very nice consolidation. See this consolidation? Still, I'm trying to break this consolidation. Okay, I'm not a pro. I know nothing about trading. I'm just a guy, okay, who knows nothing about the price action. So I'm just trying to break this consolidation, nothing else, brother. That's why I'm telling you, don't push this button. Okay, that's all the beginning of the streaming, and I really couldn't stop myself to come back again for the streaming because I told you a level, so I wanted to show you that maybe I'm not wrong. Okay, maybe I'm not wrong. Good evening, Henheim. Didn't the candle at 1441 broke the swing high at 1432 that and that MSS? Until here, there was no market structure shift. Until here, this low when shifted by that low, until here, there was no market structure shift. Now, if you are confused, you have to watch the video, then you will get the rules and you know the whole business you will understand. But I'm really tired to explain the market structure shift now, brother. I'm really so tired. Until this low is broken by that low, there was no market structure shift, nothing. Are you going to do a London session, bro? Yeah, I am. I'm expecting that. Not a promise, but yeah, I will try to do it. Okay, I will try to do it. Okay, guys. Okay, 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 okay. It was a nice sweep of liquidity. Now I'm really afraid. Now I'm really afraid because of this sweeping liquidity. All of this liquidity has been swept over here. It should not do like that way. It should close below that low, below that line. See this line? Body has to close below that line. But this sweeping liquidity, it's making me nervous now. And I don't know should I hold this trade or not. Uh, Even I can't bring my stop loss down. I can't do it. Even after seeing this, either I have to close the trade or I have to wait. Okay, there is no way. So I think let it go. Okay, even if I take the loss, let it go, because this sweeping I don't like. I want to see a body close below that low. That's all I want to see. If the body can close below that low, then I can move my stop loss. Before that, if I move my stop loss, that's not rule based. That's kind of fear. I was fearing to take that loss. That's why I moved my stop loss. That's I don't want to do. That's the thing I really don't want to do. Okay, even I was short from here. There was 1 minute fair value gap. Yeah, Mayank, there was that 1 minute fair value gap. Actually, you have to take your entry from there. I was little hurry, so I took my entry over there. It's okay. I mean, your entry has to be from there. That fair value gap. That should be your entry. See, after taking this lows, I mean this all sweeping liquidity, market is just staying over here. I really don't like this. I want to see a body close below that low. If it happens, I'll be very happy. And I will think, okay, maybe I'm not going to take a loss. Otherwise, it's kind of very risky trade to hold it. And I love that word boom. That's why I'm not going to close my trade. Otherwise, I would close my trade. To be honest, I would close my trade with $390 profit. Not a small, use to my small account. It's huge. Okay, actually, I did watch the MSS video, and that's why I'm asking that 1432 there was a swing high with two lower wings highs. Okay, okay, Tamimi. Let me check. Okay, 232. I was I was actually reading the price, but okay, it's okay. Let go over there. 232. So here, yeah, this low is valid for shifting market structure or not? That's your query, right? Let me check. This low didn't trade any fair value gap. It has a swing low on its left. It has a swing low on its right. No, it doesn't have any swing low on its right. It has a swing low here on its left, but it doesn't have any swing low on its right. So it's not valid. This low didn't trade any fair value gap, so it's not valid. Even if it was valid, this market structure shift is not valid. This is not displacement. There was no fair value gap. So this market structure shift is not valid. Is it clear, brother? 232 high. 232 high. Okay, here. Yeah, that was the perfect market structure shift. Absolutely. This market structure shift is valid to the upside. But my bias is bullish. Sorry, bearish. I was looking for sell. So I'm not seeing this as a market structure shift. I'm seeing this as a liquidity taken. Every time market is going higher, I'm seeing this as a liquidity taken, not like market structure shift. So I hope you got the point, right? Here, this is a valid market structure shift, but as I am bearish, so I'm not seeing this as a market structure shift. I'm seeing this as a liquidity taken. Okay, okay, brother. Tamimi, is it clear, brother? Let me know. That's not good at all. But my, intention is telling me that as this low is going from a random level, so maybe market is going at least to take that lows. See these lows, below this lows I have this 1 minute last parabolic gap, so market will reach over there. That's my belief. Okay, and still this is very nice consolidation. So yeah, bias comes first, then we look for MSS in direction of that bias. Absolutely, brother. You have to first find out where market is going. Otherwise, you will be confused about liquidity taking and market structure shift. Okay, so I'm not telling that market is falling. That's my expectation. If it falls, I'll be happy. It can go higher, okay, and I can be stopped out over there. I can be, but yeah, I'm looking for sell, not looking for buy. Only this thing I didn't really like when market came here and sweep that liquidity. I really didn't like that shit. It come back again to the mean threshold and the order block. Until now I'm okay. Here is that fair value gap. Market should not go above that fair value gap. If it wants to trade one more time that fair value gap, I'm good with that. But if it reverses from that mean threshold, that means if the body didn't close above that mean threshold, oh man, that's kind of feelings, man. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna take a loss. Boom, I want to see boom now. In the opposite way. I mean, it's gonna hit my stop loss like that way. Brother, any tips for having trouble with 50k account? When I trade 150k, I can give more room for trade, but 50k feels so tight with 1k max per day. Shahid, the thing is, brother, I'm also trading 150k and I'm struggling with my 50k. Okay, I'm struggling with this account. So yeah, it's little difficult to cope up with these two accounts all together, because here I'm used to, like, used to put my stop loss above here when I'm trading the 50k account, but when sorry 150k, but when I'm trading the 50k account, my stop loss has to be very tight. Okay, so I don't know what type of advice I can give you, but I can give you the advice like never make it two. Try to make it one. Always try to make it one. In that type of case, maybe you will get more room. I guess. Okay, maybe you are going to get more rooms. All I want to see, body will close below the mean threshold. That's all I want to see. Yeah, until now I'm okay because this mean threshold is actually holding the price. I'm okay with that. I'm happy to see that. Next rule is something like this. If it happens, okay, it will close below the order block, will retest the order block, then it will fall. If it wants to go lower, but if it wants to go higher, it will stop me out. What is MTH? MTH is the mean threshold, brother. The 50% of the order block. So here is your highest up close body candle. This is my order block. The 50% of that order block is called mean threshold. Okay, the rules is body can't close above the mean threshold. If the body close above the mean threshold, then this order block is going to be very, weak. It's not going to work, something like that. Okay, so that's why I always want to see. Until now I'm okay. See the body close below the mean threshold, so I'm happy to see that. Weak, I don't care, but bodies is very important for. Here's the fair value gap should be broken, and I'm just getting fed up now because whole of this price action is really so difficult to trade. Only this week when it has taken that low, I am really like, why why you take that like that? You should fall. It's going up for fair value 50% of the swing for optimal trade entry. Oh my trading. Maybe, brother, maybe I'm gonna be stopped out. I'm telling you that. I mean, just don't push your button. That's all I want to say. But yeah, what it is going to do, it will going to do. I mean, it is going, whatever it's on to go to, it's on to do, it will do. So far, the min threshold is holding the price. See, the min threshold never broken till now. It closed below the order block. I'm very fine with that. It should fall now. Only thing is this fair value gap. If this fair value gap fail to hold the price, market will fall. Till now, this fair value gap is also holding the price. If one body can close below that fair value gap, market is going to fall. Okay, and if it can come back again, I'm gonna put my stop loss above that high. See this high? I'm gonna put my stop loss above that high if it can go below that low. Now, this is not important anymore. The most important is this swing low. If a body can close below that low, you will see the magic. Okay, you will see the magic. And oh, my trading, brother, I actually don't trade depending on optimal trade entry, and I proved that so many times. Okay, so many times. Even today morning also I proved that optimal trade entry is kind of myth. Okay, and actually for me it's myth. I really don't trade depending on the optimal trade entry. So don't refer me anything, okay, brother? You can see if I was afraid of my trade, I could have closed my trade with some profit, like 300, $400 profit for one. I mean, for 50K account is huge, brother. But yeah, it is what it is. Okay? Thank you. If I hope you will understand, brother. Say speed now. Okay, okay. So you were talking about the 50%. Let me check. Okay, so this is your optimal trade entry. That's cool, man. Cool. Maybe you were right. I'm wrong. Yeah, brother. I have a lot to learn from you guys. Okay, I have a lot to learn. All I want to see a body close below that low. If the body can close below that low, then I'm happy. It depends on each person to person on their trading style. Absolutely. Oh, my trading. Yeah, absolutely, brother. It depends on person to person. Now I don't trade in optimal trade entry, and I can show you so many times that optimal trade entry doesn't work. So many times I can show it to you. All I want to see a body close below that low. Okay, that's all I want to show you. I mean, I want to see if it can close below that low, I'm gonna put my stop loss above that high. Okay, so it closed over there, I'm gonna put my stop loss above that high because this swing high is now a swing high which should not be shifted. So yeah, that's all, brother. Now I can't close my trade from here because this is against my ethics. If it failed to hit my stop target profit, I will take that loss. I don't care how much profit I got, but I'm not gonna close my trade from here. This is called immature closing. Okay, so I can't close my trade immaturely. I have to let it go. Either way, I mean, if it wants to hit my target profit, I'll be happy. If it hits my stop loss, I'll be happy, but I am not going to close my trade from here. Optimal won't be at 50%, will be between 61.8 and 78.6. Okay, Tamimi. Guys, I really don't see the market depending on that levels, that fib level. Okay, this fib level, I don't look that. Okay, 50% is the equilibrium, and when I don't trade depending on that, I'm not gonna talk about that. Okay, this fair value gap should be open. It should not be filled. This fair value gap. This is logic. My logic actually. See this fair value gap. It should left open. Even one tick is okay, but it can't close that fair value gap. Yeah, that fair value gap. Why? Because market has traded the mean threshold order block, then it has made the first fair value gap over here. The first fair value gap has to be open. It should have opened. Not always, but 99% of the time it will keep open until it take the liquidity. It will kept open like that way. Okay. See this candle 50%. If body can close below that 50%, you will see the run. You will see just the run. Okay. If it can close below that low, here I'm gonna put my stop loss to the break even. Here below that low. If it can close over there, I'm gonna put my stop loss to the break even, because it has taken the liquidity. Again, it has taken the liquidity. It it should not go back again. It should not go back to that fair value. That's why I'm gonna put my stop loss to the break even. It is dealing when setup. Okay, if failed, then go up. If it failed, then don't go up. I mean, there is some other thing. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna ride the boom, and I believe that you will ride the boom as well. For me, okay, for me. Okay. Now this is the time where I will show you something. I have just tweeted here. Mark 18319.25. 18319.25. 18319.25. Do you doubt about my direction? Again, don't dare to doubt about my direction. Never ever. Okay. Thank you guys. Thanks for writing that word. I really love that word. Thanks for writing that word. Yeah. So I hope that nobody pushed your button with me. Remember this new day opening gap? Still this is my level. This new day opening gap is my level. Still, I would love to see it will reach at least until that new day opening gap. Whole consolidation, guys. This is the first time I got the market structure sheet. This is the first time. Here there was no other market structure sheet, nothing. First time market structure shift. Yeah, I was afraid that I'm gonna lose that entry. That's why I took my entry over here. When I got the market structure shift, I pushed my button. I wanted to push one contract here, and then when it will come back again to that fair value gap, I will add on more. That was my thinking. I mistakenly pushed two contract over there. That's my fault. I'm sorry for that. So it has traded that fair value gap, went lower. This is the order block. Okay, guys, don't take this as a direction or as anything. Okay, this is my order block. I have already explained where the order block happened. This is the order block. This is the mean threshold. Body can't close above the mean threshold. Body has to close at the level or below the mean threshold. When body closed here, it went to the order block level one more time. It closed there, tapped to the order block, went lower. When it has closed below that low, this is the fair value gap that should be unfilled. This fair value gap will be used later. Later, when you will look for the breaker, this fair value gap will be used over there. Okay, this is that fair value gap. Guys, come here, and still I'm believing that market will come here to that new day opening gap. That's my expectation, but I don't know if I have anything over here or not. If it has traded the last fair value gap, then you can have some reaction. Where is the last fair value gap? So there is the last. Let me mark the last fair value gap. Mm, I guess this is the last fair value gap. Okay. Yeah. So it just closed the last fair value gap, so it should keep falling. I'm not interested over. Okay, I'm not interested to that. Whatever price will happen right now, I'm not interested. Actually, I took that entry, so I couldn't stop myself to come live and to show you the precision. Okay, thank you. So thanks to all of you guys, whoever write down boom. Okay, thanks to all. That's the word I love. I doubt my ass and never doubt about your direction. RK16, what was that, man? I told you once, you are a pure liquidity hunter, bro. Good job for today. Thank you, RK. Give like. Yeah, guys, can you please give me a like? It's free of cost. Okay, there is near about 100 people. 100 people is now watching. Just 27 likes, man. Seriously, how many times I have to be perfect to get some likes from here? So today we have outlined this entry right here. That was our entry. Sorry, from the London session. This was our first entry from the London session. Market went lower. Here, that was our second entry. Here, then I got stopped out here one time, I guess. Here somewhere, I don't remember. I got stopped out, then re-entry, got my profit. That is the last trade, got my profit. Yeah, I know that market is coming here, but I closed it below that low. Okay, still I'm near about $1,000 profit, or maybe more than $1,000. It's okay. But yeah, thanks you. Thanks to market to give me that. Okay. Now, why it's worked? Man, direction is everything. You have to know. First, let's go to 15-minute chart. Okay. What I told you about the narrative. Today's narrative is market will go lower. Here, first it will go higher. Then go lower, retrace. Go lower, retrace. Go lower, retrace. Go lower, retrace. Go lower. It will take that low. It has to take that low. There is no option, no other option. Every single time market will go low, it has to take the most recent low. It has to take that low. There is no other chance. Okay, this market has no other chance. Like went higher, take that obvious low over here. Went higher, take that obvious low here. Went higher, take that obvious low here. Went higher, take that obvious low here. Went higher, has to take that low. This low has to be taken. Okay, this low. At least this low has to be taken. This is the narrative of Wednesday. Did I told you at the morning, beforehand, before everything? So some of you started to think, okay, this guy is wrong. Market is going up. How can it go up? This is just a random level. Look at this level. Do you see anything here? Any fair value gap here? Look at this candle. Yeah, there was a fair value gap from 1 minute chart. That's why it went higher. That is just the reaction. But from the 15-minute chart, was there any fair value gap? No. It can't be the reversal. Just a reaction. When you got the reaction, where did it go? What is this? 15-minute fair value gap. Okay. Came to that last fair value gap, went lower. Where should it go? It should take that low. See this low? It should have been taken. Now, if it failed to take that within the PM session, it will take after the PM session. Okay. So around 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever, but it's going to take that low. Now, tomorrow, what is tomorrow's direction? Market will stay here until the London session. Okay. It will stay around that area. Then it will keep falling. Where it will fall? This sell side liquidity, that sell side liquidity. It will be your target for tomorrow. Okay. I told you that market is not going to take that extreme on, but I was thinking that market will take that sell side liquidity at least. But still, no, it is what it is. Give like already. Thank you, Love Gunfire. Thank you, brother. Fozlul Kobir. Boom. Thank you. Did I get any subscription at the PM session? I mean, if I get a subscription, you have seen that on the screen. Did I get anyone at the PM session? And I'm gonna remove everything here. Now guys, is it really hard? When market came here to that 15-minute fair value gap, here to that 15-minute fair value gap, let's go one by one. Okay, from here, this is the 1 p.m. This is the PM session has started from here, right? Market went higher, it went lower, it went higher, it went lower. Is this the market structure shift? This swing low, did it trade that fair value gap? Let's see. Here, this is the low of that fair value gap, and this is the high of that fair value gap. The body closed the fair value gap, or the wick traded the fair value gap? What has traded that fair value gap? See how beautifully it closed that fair value gap. See, very nicely it closed over there. This swing low is not valid for shifting market structure because the wick didn't trade the fair value gap, the body closed the fair value gap. So this fair value gap is not valid anymore. I know I talk too much. I'm sorry, okay? Okay. Boom. Hope this trade save your 50k account. Jack T. Still, I am not. I mean, I'm not confident about this account, man. Very soon, I'm going to blow this 50k expression. Okay, I am just struggling with this. I don't know. Okay, fucking sniper boom. Looking forward for future videos today. I've been busy, but always with the airport listen to you, brother. Thanks for your time, Gerald. It's a big compliment, brother. It's a big compliment, man. Tony Babu, yes, yes. So I think I get some subscription as well. That's cool. Stephen, you are here, brother. Thank you. Thanks for joining, brother. So I where I was here. So this is not a shift in market structure. Market went higher, take that high, make that low. Is that low valid for shifting market structure? This low, is it valid for shifting market structure? No. Why this is not valid for shifting market structure? This low didn't trade any fair value gap. This low doesn't have a swing low on its left. Yeah, it has a swing low on its right, but don't have any swing low on its left. So this swing low is not valid for shifting market structure. Market can. This is how we are breaking the consolidation. Okay, we are going to break the consolidation like this way. Now this low is valid for shifting market structure. See this low? It's valid for shifting market structure. Why? Because this swing low has a swing low on its left, on its right. Both of them are higher than that swing low. So this swing low is valid for shifting market structure. Now market went higher. Did I get the market structure shift below that low? Here, below that low. No, I didn't get it. So I don't need to look for entry here. Market went higher again. This low is valid? No, this low is not valid. Why? Still I didn't get the market structure shift. I mean, no shift I got here, right? No shift. Market went higher again. Take all of this buy side liquidity. Take this buy side liquidity. When it has taken, where is my nearest swing low, which is valid for shifting market structure? This swing low. It's valid for shifting market. This swing low, is it valid for shifting market structure? No, it's not valid for shifting market structure. Why? The reason is it doesn't have a swing low on its right. It doesn't have a swing low on its left. Even if it was valid for shifting market structure, when I got this market structure shift, was there any fair value gap? No, there was no fair value gap. So this market structure shift is not valid. So I got this swing low. Let's see. Market went higher one more time. Take all the liquidity. Went lower. Did I get the shift? No. Market went higher one more time. Take all of this buy side liquidity. Is there any buy side liquidity left? No. Then see the displacement. How beautifully it broke. Very nicely. I got my market structure shift over here. When I got my market structure shift over here, okay, look for the fair value gap. Is there two fair value gap? Obviously there is two fair value gap. First is here. This is our well-known setup. Okay guys, this is our well-known setup. Here is your first fair value gap. There is your breakaway gap. What is the rule? You have to take your entry to that first fair value gap. Your stop loss has to cover the breakaway gap. Where is your target? You know where is the target. Okay, you know that. No, I'm not Indian, Anil Kumar. I'm not Indian. I'm Bangladeshi, brother. This is the first parallel gap. This is the breakaway gap. Body can't close above the consequent encroachment of the breakaway gap. That's the rules, right? Now, if you don't want to take entry and if you want to wait until the breakaway gap, trust me, brother, lot of time you will miss the trade. Lot of time you miss the trade. So if it is not a huge stop loss, then you can go for that. Okay. So I'm gonna remove this one from my chart. If you take that entry, you have to look for the order block now. Where is your order block? The highest up close body candle is your order block. So this is the highest up close body candle. You have to mark the open. That should be your order block, or the low. This is also the order block level. Okay, this is the two level which is order block. You have to mark the 50% of the order block. The 50% of the order block is the mean threshold. Okay, it's called mean threshold. What is the rules? So that is the 50% of that order block. What is the rules? If you see body closed above the mean threshold of that order block, weak I don't care. Okay, weak I really don't care. But if the body close above the mean threshold, the best is close your trade. Okay, the best scenario is to close your trade even if you are in loss. You will wait one candle, the very next candle if come back, you will see that as a fake breakout. But this is the best where nobody close above the mean threshold. When it has traded that, first body will close below the order block. Now here it has traded the open, so I'm gonna close the lower. First body close below the order block. The rule is it will tap to the order block. Boom. After trading the order block and mean threshold, the first fair value gap, you will look for the first fair value gap. That fair value gap has to be unfilled. This fair value gap that should be unfilled. That means if market would love to trade that fair value gap, there is nothing wrong. It has to left at least one tick open over there before falling. At least one tick. Now, sometimes it close fully. In that type of situation, it doesn't mean that it's a low probability, but if it close that, you are not going to get this run. See this big move, boom. You are not going to get that if it fully close that fair value gap. If it fail to close that fair value gap, and if it doesn't trade that fair value gap, you will get this type of big run instantly. Okay, this is the theme. And guys, everything I'm telling you, this is my experience, so I'm not telling you to believe this. You can go to your chart and you can do it by yourself. Okay, I'm not telling you to believe me blindly. I know nothing about the price action. I am just a guy who know nothing about the price action. Okay, Burros, great job. Boom, thank you, brother. Are you Indian? No, I'm not. Bro, can you speak Hindi? Anil Kumar, I can't speak Hindi, but I understand little. Okay, I mean little under I can little understand the Hindi because I watch a lot of Bollywood movie. So yeah, but I can't speak. Okay, brother. Guys, you can follow me to my Twitter. I actually do most of my thing over here to my Twitter. The first thing I did at the PM session is mark 18319.25 for NQ. That was this level. Okay, here this low. Why I told you to mark that on? That was the shallow run. See, this equal loss has taken by that shallow run. What I told you about the shallow run, if you ever see the shallow run, that is your most obvious liquidity. Okay, that's why I told that. I hope you will get it. So you can actually follow me over there to my Twitter. I'm not asking for my followers. Yeah, I need the followers, because if you follow me over there, you will be benefited. This is not for me, this is for you. Okay, so yeah, if you want to see in at the rate of NRT12345, that's my Twitter username. You will get the link to my description. Okay, so yeah, that's all. I would love to see if I get a subscription or not. Okay, and studio analytic. Did I get any subscriber? Okay, I got some. I mean, it was 68, so I got 5 subscription. Thank you. Thanks for subscribing, brother. The 5 people. Welcome to the jungle. Welcome to the drama. Okay, you're a great man. Thanks for boom explanations. Thank you, Hassan. Love how you explain your trade in details. That helps a lot. Thank you, Tamimi. Okay, thank you, brother. Yes, I followed you on Twitter. Thank you, Anil. Pikachu, are you Ali Khan? No, 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 no. I'm not Ali Khan. Ali Khan is the greatest trader. Okay, he is one of the best student of ICT. So far, I know. Actually, I don't know. My friend told me that Ali Khan is one of the best student of ICT. Personally, I never watch his into or his his training style. I didn't watch his training style. Okay. So yeah, but yeah, that's I'm just a guy. Nobody knows about me. Okay? Nobody knows about me. That's all, brother. So thank you, guys. Do you have any question? Otherwise, I'm done with my price action. I hope that I explained everything. And my question is it hard really? Yesterday, whole day, I was bullish until that entry fair value gap. Did you see the precision over here? What is market doing? See this fair value gap? Market has made this 50-minute fair value gap. It will tap to that fair value gap, then I will expect lower run. Now this is the relatively equal lows. See this low and that low, they are relatively equal lows. The market can trade that fair value gap, then it will fall. That's my expectation. I don't need that, and it's already 345. I mean 347. So after 345, no entry is valid. That's forbidden. No entry is valid. Guys, you have to listen to me. I mean, if you want to follow me, you have to listen my advice. You can say my advice. Okay, you have to listen. After 345, no entry is valid. I don't care how beautiful the setup is. I don't care how long you are waiting for that setup. No entry is valid after 345. So yeah, I hope you'll understand that. When you start live trading on e-commerce, it's near about 1.5 year maybe. I mean, I have started my live trading from the end of 2022. Then I blew two accounts and I started to get profitable maybe from 2023 March. So far I remember from March. So from 2023 March, I started to find out the direction. I the guy who asked me about that market structure shift, I never think this is market structure shift, but previously I saw that as a market structure shift. This is the fair value gap. I should take my entry over that. I saw that, but suddenly I started to oversee this type of fake fake setup. Instead of that, I love to see this type of correct setup. Okay, so it happened suddenly, and I don't know why I don't see this setup. Why I don't see? But previously I saw this type of opposite setup, and I got confused. So many things happened to me. Okay, but I'm here so that you can get the price action easy way, in a easy way. So the way I explained this trade, is it really hard? Over here, let me come here. I told that market came here, went lower, it has taken the buy side liquidity, market structure shift. This is the area for the guy who actually told me the premium and discount area. Okay, we took that entry over here at the morning session. It never go for the, not even the equilibrium, not even for the 50%. It came to that first fair value gap. Boom. Here, I think, where was that entry? Where was that entry? I guess the entry was over here somewhere. Okay. I don't remember exactly. There was another entry. You know, right? Where I took that entry, I took a loss, then I took huge profit over there, and market was traded that last fair value gap from 1 minute chart. I'm just giving you some level so that you can understand when you should look for what. Yeah, I guess my first loss was from here, then I took re-entry around that area. Yeah, I took re-entry over there. So far I remember. Here, this is the logical level for trade, right? From 15-minute chart, where did it came? That 15-minute chart, right? This is the 15-minute chart. Now let's go to 1 minute chart. Now nobody push your button. Every entry after 345 is forbidden, because here market doesn't need to follow the rules. All the manipulation happens after 345. Okay, so please don't push your button around that area. It has traded that area. If you get a market structure shift, go for that trade. Where is your target? This sells a liquidity and eventually this new day opening gap. Can market go higher? Obviously it can go higher. Obviously it can go higher, because this is after 345. Okay. Okay, okay, soon you will be famous, brother Chitu. Tony Babu. Oh man, I don't need to be famous. I don't want to be famous. But yeah, I want more people. I'm not sure how long I will continue this. I'm not sure that, okay? So before stopping sharing my understanding, I want more people to know about me. Not about me actually, know about the concept, because this concept is really so simple. People make it complicated. Just you guys make this complicated. Otherwise, this is very simple. Very, 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 very simple. Every day, same thing happened again, again, and again. Do I need to take that entry, brother? Really, do I need to take that when I can get that entry from London session, that entry from here, that entry after getting all of this entry? Do I really need to take that entry? in between this consolidation area. Should I do I need to take that entry? I don't think so. But still, man, this is very simple thing. All you have to do is make it simple. Don't make it complicated with so many time frame like hourly chart, daily chart, hour, then 4 hour chart, 30-minute chart, 15-minute chart, 5-minute chart, 1 minute chart. It's called forcing market to give you the setup. Don't force market to give you the setup. If you ever force market to give you the setup, you will regret. Now you won't understand what I am telling you, but you will understand when you will keep losing. You will keep losing, then you will understand. Okay, brother told us not to force the market, not to change so many time frames. Be strict with one time frame. I'm not telling you to be strict with 15-minute time frame. If you like hourly time frame, stick with a hourly time frame. If you like 4 hour, good, no problem with that. But be strict with 4 hour. Be well known with one time frame only. Okay, trust me, you will improve, man. Okay, hey Vrinder, how are you, brother? Vrinder, past two more Apex evals today and two yesterday. Oh, Vrinder, man. Okay, help me a little, okay, so that I can pass some. Help me a little, brother. Vrinder, thanks to you, my friend. No, don't ever give the credit to other people. Don't ever give the credit to other one. Like not even me, nobody. Just don't give credit to nobody. Give all the credit to yourself. You did it, man. This is your credit. This is very important. This is psychological thing, brother. If you keep giving credit to other people, you won't feel confident. Okay, you have to feel confident that you did it. Nobody did it for you. You did it. Now, after today action, show us which parallel to remove and which one to keep for watch. I have already made a video about that. You will get that to my travel cap concept area. You will get that, okay? So you can watch that video, Jackie. Roam to my, I mean, just go around to my YouTube channel. I have already done so many video over there. That is all very helpful. I know my English is bad, my voice is bad, my pronunciation is bad. It's really hard for you to understand, but I have already done so many things over there so that you guys can already improve. But if you don't spend time over there, how can I help you, brother? I just can't keep repeating the same video again and again, right, Jackie? But I have already done that, brother. Do you execute trades on TradingView or you use other trading platform? I execute my trade to TradingView, but it's connected with TradeOvet. Okay, it's connected with TradeOvet. See this parallel gap here? It should not work like that way. I mean, you're seeing this as your entry parallel gap, but I'm not seeing this as my entry parallel gap. It should not go lower from this parallel gap. It should not do that. Lot of reason is there. Lot of reason. It should not reverse from this parallel gap. But it is what it is. This is the last time after 345. I don't want to read the price and I don't want to prove myself that I'm wrong. I don't want to do that, okay, guys? Still, I told you this. Just remember this line. 18 to 81.75. Just remember this line, okay? And finally, this new day opening gap. Keep this line on your mind. Okay, Pikachu. Do you exit? Okay, Pikachu, I give you the answer, I guess. Tamimi, you trade with Apex or Top Step or which from Top Step, brother? Just Top Step. Just Top Step, nothing else. I passed Elite Evil account today. Congratulations, Tony. Congratulations, brother. Can you explain this in more beginner friendly way, please? What, Pikachu? I mean, guys, are you really getting confused by my explanation? Because the thing I explain, I talk too much because I start from very beginning and I end at the very end. I complete my conversation at the very end so that nobody has no confusion. You can't have any confusion. Now you can have some confusion if you just come here someday and then you just disappear. Maybe after 1 week you come back again, then you won't understand. You have to be strict with me at least for 1 week, otherwise I can't help you, brother Pikachu. Okay, because I saw your name long time ago. I think 1 or 2 weeks ago. Then I didn't see your name. So brother, I'm sorry. If you just irregular over here, if you are irregular, I can't help you, brother. I'm sorry, brother. Don't get me rude, but yeah, it's true. Hey, when you sleep, I sleep for 3 hours, maximum three to 4 hours every single day for near about 7 to 8 years now. I can't sleep more than 3 hours. 3:30, 3 hour 30 minutes. Okay. There are so many Favlogap on chart, brother. How do you know which one will work? Pikachu, I am just explaining this for last 2 months, brother. I'm just explaining the your answer, your question for last 2 months. So either you have to watch whole of my streaming or you have to come back every day, brother. There is no other way, Pikachu. I just can explain this within 1 or 2 minutes, brother. I hope you will understand, okay? Because I'm only explaining that's fair value gap, nothing else. Just the fair value gap. Price is trying to make a valid MSS. Absolutely, Hassan. That's why I told price should not reverse from that fair value gap. It should not reverse from there. That was the reason for telling that. I'm just waiting for 4 p.m. Let's see if we can have some volatility around 4 or not. So 2 minutes, just 2 minutes. I will wait more. See if it can reach here to that line or not. Pikachu, brother, you have to come back every single day, at least for 7 days. Then you will understand everything. Which program is the best one? Love, gunfire. How can I say that, brother? I am trading top step. It's good for me, okay? Some people are trading Apex. That's good for them. So it's your choice, you know. Tony Babu, it's all good, brother. Love your explanation. Thank you, Tony. Thank you, man. Yes, you did explain it in a simple way. Appreciate it. Thank you, Tamimi. If I miss your live, I make sure that I watch the replay. Okay, Tony. That's a great, achievement for me. That someone actually rewatch my boring lecture. Oh, and seriously, can you find setups every day with this strategy? Because you are asking me some question I really don't like to answer, brother. To be honest, I told you that you have to come back again. I'm doing the live stream, right? Most of the time, I'm here in front of all of you guys, at least to the morning session. Last week I was in morning session, I was in PM session. Here this week I am doing London session, morning session, is still the PM session. So you have to come back, brother. Otherwise, you will keep asking me some question. That's if I answer your question, it's kind of I'm kind of guru, something like that. Okay, I really don't like that. I know nothing about the price action. I keep telling that. So you have to come and you have to see if it is helpful for you or not. Is MSS is from intermediate term high or low, brother? Yeah, it's in a short term. Yeah, it's true. Intermediate term high or intermediate term low is the MSS low or high. Okay, just to make sure I understand why you pick that swing low. Yeah, absolutely, brother. Intermediate term. That's the easy way, but I make it more easier here. Just think there is a fair value gap. Okay, just think there is a fair value gap. Now, if a swing high, weak, okay, not the body, we can go through this fair value gap, no problem. But body can't close that fair value gap. There has to be a small space open for the weak that will trade that fair value gap. This this swing high is valid for shifting market structure. This swing high is valid for shifting market structure because it has traded that fair value gap. Now, maybe there is no fair value gap. Okay, there is no fair value gap. So this swing high didn't trade any fair value gap. What I have to have, there has to have a swing high on its left that is lower than that swing high, and a swing high on its right that will be the lower than that swing high. Then this swing high will be valid for shifting market structure. So it has to meet either one of that requirement, then it will be valid for shifting market structure. Okay, brother? Okay, I guess it's clear. We are very happy with what you are doing, and your English is very good. Keep going and wish you the best. Thank you, Jack T. You guys are telling me something good, okay? Tell me something bad. What is my lackings? Everything, okay? So price has done for today. Yeah, I'm wrong, right? Price didn't take that low. I'm wrong. Yeah, I'm wrong here. I'm sorry because I'm wrong. But I believe that market is going to take that low, and finally it will reach to that new opening gap. But if it didn't do that, tomorrow it will be my first target. Okay, I'm sorry because I'm wrong. Okay, I will come back, brother. Thank you, Pikachu. You have to come back at least 7 days. Just come 7 days one after another. Okay, don't give a gap. You will get so many things you are not never going to get from anywhere else. I promise you, man. Which one of your videos would you recommend one to start with? Just go to my channel and sorry, just go to my channel and content, I guess from here, playlist. From the playlist, go to that study. You have to watch every single video from that study section. After finishing this study, if you asking my channel, okay, after finishing this, you have to go to the where is the narrative here narrative. See this narrative, there is only 5 videos, so that is the narrative. When you are done with study and narrative, then you can go to the macro. It's fully independent. You doesn't need to know anything else. If you want to trade only depending on the macro, it's fully independent, okay? But before everything, you have to study section and the narrative section. After that, you can watch the, I mean, I have just started the fair value gap concept, NQ daily recap. I mean, every day after closing the session, I just recap the whole video. That's all, brother. Okay. Okay, got it nice and clear, brother. Thank you. No problem, Shahid. Bro, will you be live for London? I believe that I will be, but it's not a promise, okay? I believe that I will be. I will be at 3:10. I mean, I will start from 3:15 maybe. Newark local time. So from 3:15, I believe. But not a promise. If I'm okay, if everything is okay, if I'm not sick, if I'm not dead, I will be there. Okay, if the internet is working, I mean, if the internet works, everything is okay, then I will be there. Thank you so much to all who actually subscribed today. 76 people I got today. Oh man, it's huge. Hard work, G2 pays off. Done, well done. Thank you, D Francis. Thank you, man. Verinder, you are going to put an alarm. That's cool, man. Okay, guys, I'm done for this PM session. I thought that I should come and I should explain everything over here. And I believe that nobody followed my entry. As I push my button, nobody pushed your button depending on my analysis. If you pushed your button, it should be your analysis. If I ever know that you pushed your button depending on my analysis, depending, I mean, just following my button, I will either, if I can, I will block you. If I can, I will never talk to you. I will never give you the answer of your question. I will never do that because I don't want to take the responsibility of your money. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to show you how to read the price action. And I believe that this is the easiest way I'm explaining. Nobody can explain the price action better than me. The easy way I'm explaining, okay? Because I have no other intention except your learning. That's all, brother. So I hope you will understand my feelings. Please don't disrespect me. If you push your button with me, I will see that as a disrespect. Please don't do that, man. I will be really, I will hurt. I will get hurt if you do that. Ever. You will be the richest man in Bangladesh. Pikachu, I am not gonna earn money. I am done with earning money, okay? Before 2022, I started to learn this whole concept because I was I was I was very much curious to earn the money from this market. That's why I started learning the ICT concept or everything, this trading whole thing. But no, with time, mentality has changed. I don't want to earn money, not anymore. I'm done with that. You can say this guy is very, no, there is a long story. You don't know me, you don't know about my, know, about my wealth or about my money or bank balance. You know nothing about me, okay? So you have to believe me, whatever I'm telling you. I'm done with earning money. All I'm doing here, just trying to share everything I know about this concept. I worked hard for near about 16 to 17 hours every single fucking day for near about 15 to 17 months. Every single day. I worked hard. I studied this concept. Then I find it out, okay? And I'm now giving all of the things with filtering just the important thing, the way you can learn, the easiest way. I'm giving it to you for free without without any hard work, okay? So I want to give you all. When I will understand that, okay, I'm done, you will never see me again, never ever. Yeah. So I am okay. Good night, brother. I'm also going to close my session. Thank you, brother. You are very humble man, brother. When you don't care about the money but the process, then the results will show. Absolutely, it's true. Yeah, that's all. I mean, I told you that when I'm done with trading. Okay, I will never come back in front of my chart. I'm a chart addicted. I will overcome this. My only passion is to travel. I love travel. So when I will get some of you started to earn money, I will contact with you guys. When you will earn 200k plus US dollar, I will contact you, okay? And I will tell you, brother, please send me the plane ticket because I'm unable to buy a plane ticket. Please send me the plane ticket. I would love to visit your country. I would love to visit your place. That's my plan. I love traveling. I will keep travel. Okay, so that's all for today. I believe that it was little insightful. We break the consolidation one more time, and I believe that you guys are getting confident about the direction, the way you should look for the direction. You won't be afraid of the opposite run, right? This big run. You are not going to be worried about that. You will be very much confident about that lower run, and you don't need that run to be profitable. This only run can be profitable. You can be profitable. Thank you guys for being with me. Thanks for wasting your valuable time with me. So see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Until then, cheers.